Hey, what's going on, Weavers? Tim here again, and this is the trailer for the Patreon exclusive video of the month. For this month, we made a Paracord Trilobite belt. So this is the very first Paracord belt I've ever made, and it came out quite well actually. I salvaged the belt hardware from an old belt, but you can buy the hardware of course online, and all the rest was just Paracord. So I've always been hesitant to make projects at this scale simply due to the amount of Paracord and time needed, but I decided to bite the bullet and make it happen for this month's exclusive video. So as a belt, it works perfectly and it's very easy to use. The prong from the belt fits through the weave of the Trilobite, so you have plenty of options for sizing. So I hope all you current Patreon supporters will enjoy this and try it out if you're looking for a bigger project. And of course, a huge thank you to all you current Patreon members. And for those of you that aren't aware, I do run a Patreon page to help support this channel. And for the super low price of $3 per month, you can get access to a wealth of exclusive tutorial videos and our Weavers of Eternity exclusive Discord where we hang out and share our work. If you've been enjoying the content on this channel and want to support the channel directly, link to my Patreon page is in the video and the description box down below. I thank you for even considering, and for those already supporting, thank you all so very much.